Hey there! Do you work with file exports and you want your latest file to always be the basis for your data in your dashboard? What if I told you that there's a simple Power BI trick that will help you achieving this? Let me show you. This tutorial uses a local folder, but you can do the exact same thing with a SharePoint folder. First, let's create a folder to store our data files. I'll call mine My Data. Now, drop your data files into this folder. For this demo, I created 3 mock files, and I'll start by adding just the first one. Now let's jump into Power BI. So open it. You can open a new or existing report. This works for both. Head to the Home tab, click Get Data, select More, choose Folder, then hit Connect. In the pop-up, click Browse, navigate to your folder and select it. Then click OK and transform data. Now we are in Power Query. Here's the metadata of all files in our folder. To always get the latest file, we need a smart filter. Use the date created column. Trust me, it's more reliable than date modified or accessed. Click the drop-down, then Date Time Filters, and select Is Latest. Check this out. Power BI added a new step after source. This step ensures we always pull the most recent file. Don't delete it. It's doing all the magic behind the scenes. Now head to the first column. That's your file content. Now expand it. Make sure the file type and delimiter are set correctly. If all looks good, you'll see a clean table with headers and no weird characters. If it looks good, click OK. After the query finished loading, you can see that our source file is the mock data 1. So now let's test our feature. Now I will add my second file into the folder. Back in Power Query, click Refresh Preview, and boom! The second file is now our data source, as you can see here. Now click Close and Apply, and let's test again. Create a table and add some data into it, just for testing. Increase the font a little bit so we can see it better. Now I'll add the third mock file into my folder. And let's see, go to Home and click Refresh. And voila, now you see the data changed. And that's it. Next time someone manually imports a file into Power BI, you'll know there's a better way. Catch you in the next one.